Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest causes first. Swap in fresh batteries or confirm charge is above 25%, then power cycle the headset by holding the power button for 10 seconds and restarting. Once done, clear the play area and remove mirrors, windows, or bright lamps that confuse the inside-out cameras. Make sure the controllers are within the headset's view when you power them on. These immediate steps remove common tracking blockers, so the system can reacquire controller positions quickly. Next, update firmware using the Oculus mobile app. Outdated firmware often causes drift or dropout. After updating, repair a problematic controller by holding the Oculus button and B or Y until the LED blinks, then complete pairing from settings. This forces a fresh connection and profile. Simultaneously, fine-tune room lighting to steady, even illumination because the headset's cameras need consistent contrast to track infrared markers. These middle steps recalibrate communication and visual conditions, so tracking becomes stable again. To finish, try a factory reset only after backing up your account and settings. This clears persistent software faults. If problems persist and a single controller still misbehaves, inspect for physical damage and test a different controller or replacement unit to isolate hardware failure. Once replaced or repaired, confirm tracking in a simple app to validate. If you remain stuck, contact Oculus support with logs and serial numbers. Troubleshooting tip: when one controller lags, swap its batteries and repair that unit immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.